Hi and welcome to this DCPware tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to import Adobe After Effects compositions into Premiere Pro 2022. Okay, let's go ahead and open up Adobe After Effects, and I've got this simple composition in here. It's just this little YouTube smash that like button thanks, right? So it's like asking people to smash the like button on my YouTube videos. It's a very basic animation I've created in Adobe After Effects, and we want to import this directly into Premiere Pro. So there's kind of two ways that we could do this. The first approach is to create like a green screen and then export this as a video clip and then import it into Adobe Premiere and then chroma key out the green screen. So if you're using other video editing software, something that's not Adobe Premiere Pro, then this is the approach that you would take. You create your composition inside here and then maybe chroma key out or add an alpha channel. But there's an easier way to do this. So if we just close down this project, so once you've completed it, doesn't really matter what color background it's got, it's not really that relevant. We'll just go ahead and close this project. Let's just close this down and we'll go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. So if we open up this folder first, you'll see that I have subscribe animations. I've got a like and I've got subscribe After Effects files here, two of them. I'm going to import them directly into Premiere Pro. So to do that, let's open up Premiere Pro first. And we need some video content to work with. So I've got some videos here that we can just play around with. So I'm just going to drag and drop them onto the timeline. So we've got these little video clips here. Here you can see some stuff that I made in, we created all of these in Blender, right? So over the last few years we've been making lots of animation sequences in Blender. So here's some video content that we created in Blender, just as an example. We're going to go back to the folder and we're going to go to subscribe and we're going to drag the like and the subscribe directly into the media pool here. So if you give it a little bit of time, it's going to import them. It's going to ask us what the composition is that we want to import. So let these pop up first. And we want to import the like video here, this one. And then we want to import the subscribe call out here. So we've got these little compositions in here. And we can drag these directly onto the timeline now. So we can drag the like here, for example, and drag the subscribe here. So these are directly now imported into Premiere Pro, but they're running off of the After Effects engine. So when we click the play button, we can see the animation playing, and it's going to get to the end of this one, and then it's going to do the smash the like button. You can see that there, and it will fade out, and then it will play the second sequence of the After Effects. Subscribe for access to tutorials, right? So these are directly imported into Premiere Pro, and I prefer to do it this way, so we don't have to mess around with the content too much. We can just import it directly into Premiere Pro. Now a nice thing to just note, if I just save this work, let's just minimize this, let's just open up After Effects again, and in theory we should be able to edit this content in real time in After Effects. So let's go ahead and open the project. Let's open this like video, right? So we're going to open it, and just on this text here, let's just put in something a little bit slightly different, right? So instead of let's just put in 2 exclamation marks at the end, right? So we can see there's some difference there. So there's 2 exclamation marks here. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Let's just minimize this and open up Premiere Pro again. And now we can see the 2 exclamation marks here, right here, the 2 exclamation marks. So we can edit stuff in After Effects in real time, and those updates are performed directly in Premiere Pro in real time as well. So this is a nice way to do it, because you can go and tweak things quite quickly in After Effects, and those will be represented in your Premiere Pro project at the same time. So this is probably a preferable way to work with After Effects and Premiere Pro. So we can go ahead and click on this piece of content here. You see the main button down here. So this is the transformation. This is all of the assets for it, but we can change the fill. So let's change it to a slightly different color. Let's change it to blue, for example. So now it's a blue color, and let's get rid of that extra exclamation mark. We don't really want that there, so let's go ahead and click on the text, and we'll get rid of one of the exclamation marks, right? So now it's got 1 exclamation mark and it's blue color. And if we go ahead and save this, press Ctrl S to save, here it is. Before I even did anything, we can see it's already updated here. So it's in the blue color now, directly in Premiere Pro. So this, you can apply this to different types of After Effects compositions. I'm mainly using it on basic sort of animation sequences, but I'm pretty sure any sort of After Effects composition, you can just import that directly. Unless it's using some sort of maybe third-party plugin, it might cause some issues. But general After Effects stuff should work perfectly well directly in Premiere Pro using this technique. So this should save you a lot of time, especially when you're editing content and you're working with After Effects and Premiere Pro at the same time. Why not just directly import the After Effects file into Premiere Pro, and you can edit it in real time and see those real time updates directly in Premiere Pro. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's go ahead and close this down and close this folder. That's the end of this video tutorial. Nice and simple, showing you how to import After Effects projects directly into Premiere Pro 2022. Preferably you would have the same versions of software, so I'm using After Effects 2022 and Premiere Pro 2022. So if you're using 2021 version, you want like consistent versions of both software, so then you will have less compatibility issues between the files. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can access over 750 free video tutorials on a wide range of subjects, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.